Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add texture background to text in Photoshop. So get ready started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see add texture background to text in Photoshop. Now we're going to the toolbar option. Now select from text tool. Now type your text. Now resize your text. Now keyboard press from enter. Now you can see firstly add from text dot background. Now going to the toolbar. Now select from rectangle tool. Now draw a rectangle tool. Now double click from. Now select from color. Now click OK. And going to the layer option. Now rectangle layer in the up down. Now you can see then I show the add layer, add the text background. Now this background and text are now going to the layer in rectangle on. Now select from mouse right button option. Now click from blending option. Now I go to a new interface. Now select from texture option. Now click and this texture. That is. Now I can see. Now click for OK. That is. Now I can see. Then I show the texture layer in text background in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.